Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So today's video, you guys, is going to be a grocery haul. Let's jump right in. Alrighty, you guys, so here it is. This is our Walmart grocery haul. We ended up at Walmart. Alana wanted to do some shopping. I probably would have fared a whole lot better at Aldi, but it is what it is. So I had $40 for my budget. And I returned a few things that I had purchased at Walmart that I didn't need, which is actually why I ended up shopping at Walmart. So it ended up giving me a little bit extra, and I just put it towards groceries this week. This right here, what you see, guys, is $60 plus. $60 plus. So let's start over here. So I got these LED flashlights, and the reason I picked these up, Jackson and I were outside before, of course, daylight savings time, and we were grilling, and the light caught us, so we did not have any flashlights that we could find. We have some around here, just don't know where they are at the moment. So that was in the clearance aisle for $3.50. So 2 flashlights. Sometimes we have to walk the dog and it's a little later than we like, or it's early in the morning, so we like to have flashlights. Baby spinach was like $3.88. I picked up a couple packages of these crackers for Jackson. They were 97 cents each. Finally found cauliflower. They were $1. I picked up 5 of those. These are the steamable bags. Bananas were 57 cents a pound. So I went ahead and picked up a couple. Alana's been using for smoothies, and I'll just eat with almond butter. A bag of apples. Picked up some strawberries, blueberries. I got a pineapple. My kids love pineapple. Then I got 2 things of the fresh grape tomatoes. We marinate those and roast them once a week. Picked up some of this white grape peach juice, no sugar added, 100% juice. Also this grape juice, no sugar added, 100% juice. Unsweetened almond milk. Then we needed ibuprofen, so I picked up the 2 100 packs. And then I needed some more body wash, so I picked up the Suave Cocoa Butter and Shea, and then the Cherry Blossom. I like both of those. There was another one that I used to like. It was a coconut something that I haven't seen that made it in a long while. But anywho, that is the grocery haul for the week. Also picked up 2 things of water that you do not see. So 2 40 packs of water that are going into the garage. But there it is. We have plenty of meat. So I'm going to take you to a view of, well, we're just going to chat about meal plans. Alrighty, you guys. So while the kids put the groceries up, I'm going to just chat with you about the meal plan. So it's Wednesday here. So we have plenty of leftovers in the fridge. So we're doing leftovers for dinner tonight. It's the 31st, so it's going to be leftovers. And I'm just writing this down in my planner. Remember, I use the Budget Mom planner, and it has the weekly meal plan up here where you can put your meal plan. It also has your grocery shopping list. And then it also has your habit tracker. So for right now, I'm just putting my my dinner ideas down. I also have all these Whole30 recipes that I printed out. Remember, I'm on spring break next week. Praise the Lord. So we're going to try a couple of these recipes. So I'm going to look and see. Okay, I think I'm going to try some barbecue sauce. So a couple recipes. I'm just going to write recipes up here that I'm going to give a try. So I think I'm going to do the barbecue sauce because I have everything I need for that. Yeah, I have everything I need for that. I'm also going to try the creamy garlic sauce on here. So I got 6 easy whole food or paleo recipes. So I'm going to try the creamy garlic sauce. All right. And then, okay, I'm just making sure I'm not missing anything. Those 2 sauces I have stuff for. Like, I'm not going to go buy anything else. And I did get paid today, but my pay for this today is for the month of April's groceries. So I just did what I had. We don't have any more of those little drumsticks, so I'm not going to do that. All right, that's one. We do have chicken thighs, and so I may do the grilled pineapple chicken, which would be good because we like that one. So grilled pineapple chicken. The kids like that one, and I think I might try to marinate it overnight because I think the flavors might be better that way. What else do I want to try? I want to try this healthy chicken pot pie soup, so I'm going to give that one a go. Just want to make sure I have everything I need for that, and I think I do. So I'm going to do the chicken pot pie. Now, one day next week, we are going to have a cheat day, like a day to just eat whatever we want, because we're coming off of Whole30 on Sunday. So Monday is going to be our day because Alana has to work Sunday. So we're going to have I don't know that we will do the whole day. I just don't know. I've got that, I have some ground pork, so I'm going to make the breakfast sausage recipe again. And I'm also going to let that sit overnight. So I'm going to try that again. Okay. Do I have salmon? Yeah. Or do I have tilapia? Yeah. I have tilapia, so I'm going to try some lemon garlic tilapia. That might be a good one. All right, and then, so I'm going to put that one to the side. I've got some hash browns and sausage casserole. So maybe I'll do, because I have potatoes. I think I'm actually on this second round of Whole30 going to try not to do as many potatoes as I have done. Put the oven on so we can actually make some tonight because we've got to use them. But then we also have, do we have any more pork chops, or did I cook all the pork chops?
You mean like any pork chops
in the freezer?
In the freezer?
Okay, I cooked all the pork chops. What else? What other kind of meat did I bring? We have gizzards. We could have gizzards and rice. I bought 4 packs. So I have gizzards. I have steaks if I want to do steaks, because next week I'm off. So I may actually do another sit-down video with, hey, we're on spring break and this is what, maybe I can get some dinners of the week during spring break because I can't get them any other time. What else? I have no idea. Okay, that's enough, I think. So creamy, the grilled chicken, chicken pot pie, breakfast sausage, the lemon tilapia, and we're probably liable to have leftovers from some of this. And then of course we'll supplement with greens and spinach, and we have broccoli. I might even try that. There's a sauce in here called cheesy pesto sauce. I don't have nutritional yeast, but I can, find a few dollars to go pick some of that up, because I might want to do like some cheesy broccoli and just do that with the broccoli, or some potatoes. Maybe make like a cheesy pesto sauce and put some potatoes in it. That might be good. So anywho, there it is, you guys. Not a grandiose meal plan. Of course, next week is spring break, so I'm home and I'll be able to do a little bit more as far as meals and planning and all of that. But for right now, I think that's what I'm looking at. Just those couple things. And then of course, we always have, whenever I do meal prep, we always have leftovers. And I think I have like 3 things of chicken thighs, plus some of the old chicken thighs I had. So if I take out chicken thighs, I'm probably just going to take them all out, or at least 2 packages, 2 big packages. And then I can get them prepped, and I can maybe do some, maybe like an olive oil, lemon garlic sauce, and then some with the pineapple. And then maybe I could even use, make that barbecue sauce and use that on the chicken. I do have some butt steak in there that I like to put in the Instant Pot, and maybe try to make like a little bit of a cream sauce to go with that as well. And that over cauliflower rice, I think would be really good. So, couple ideas. We'll see how it goes. I'm feeling good about the meal plan thus far, and about what groceries I was able to get. Just the odds and the truth are, groceries are expensive. It doesn't matter which way you shake that stick. They are just expensive, and we do the very best we can with the finances that we have. Next month, I have a little bit more per week because we only have 4 weeks this month. We had 5 weeks. However, the budget is very tight for April. It is very tight for April because I have some some unexpected expense things coming up. And I don't even think I put my car payment in. So I got to go back and rework my budget to make sure that I put my car payment in, because I now have a car payment, but not for long, in Jesus' name. So there it is, you guys. Grocery haul for the week. Meal plan or tentative meal plan. I'm probably going to go back and watch some of Shelby's videos from the Queen's Cabinet. I love Shelby. Shelby cooks. She cooks her hind end off. That's all I'm saying. And I do have the Nashville hot chicken recipe that Shelby made. I have to, of course, Whole30 it. And I may end up doing that. So I'm going to write that in. Nashville hot chicken. But I got to find something for the brown sugar or the monk fruit. So I may use dates. That may work as a natural sweetener, or some raisins that may work as a natural sweetener. But we love Nashville hot chicken, but we can't have the sweetener. So I've got to figure something out, something that's natural. So we'll figure that out. And I may even make some jam. Alana loves jam, but we have not had any since being on Whole30. So I may take just some regular fruit that we have and add in a couple dates. Just kind of cook the dates down and see if that adds a little bit of sweetness and make like a little jam for her. So anywho, there it is, you guys. Grocery haul, tentative meal plan, and a little chit chat to go with it. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much to everybody that watches the videos and watches the ads for us. That really helps our family. We are so appreciative of everything that you do for us. We are happy to have you a part of our YouTube community. Share our videos if you think they're shareable. We have some things coming down the pipeline. I can't tell everything right now, but I am excited. My virtual assistant and I are working on some stuff. So yes, we are coming at you guys with a whole lot of new things that we didn't have last year. 2021 is going to be our best year. We had our best year in 2019. We had a really good year in 2020, but 2021 is going to be our best year. We're just a few months in and we still have a little bit left to go. Anywho, there it is. We are so excited to have you. Again, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.